Another Epic Flows production.
Yo! Extra! Read all about it. Stickman just pick up the Jamaica Star, and the story where they pan it is a piece of story a Stickman have to talk about it. Right about now, the Clarendon police them want to start a informer gang. And this is not a kill farmer gang. This is a bring in new sort of gang. This is a tell me where you know sort of gang. This is a 311 crime stop type of gang. Yo! The headline say, residents urged to snitch for permits. Clarendon police want to start a informer gang. And as so it go, if you keep a party, you have to go snitch. If you can't keep the party. So that means if you're a man when you know nothing, then you have to go be in the know. That means if you want to keep a party, and you know who shot John Brown, then probably you have to go make up a lie, or you have to go pay a man for shot and next John Brown, and then you go inform Pandamande so you can keep your party. Right now, money no make sense in a Clarendon. Money can't do nothing. Right now, what you have to go do? You have to go have news. And news are the thing you know. We think a water did go be currency. But right now, and news are the currency. Tell me where you know that are the currency. Yo, give me a informer pull up. You can't say money pull up again. You have to say informer pull up. Yo, make Stickman read the story. In an effort to reduce crime and violence in their parish, the Clarendon police say that they will only grant event permits if people tell what they know, so you have to know something. The authorities told our news team during an editor's forum last week that the Jamaica informer culture must stop and people will have to inform to the police if they want to integrate socially through entertainment. Right about now, and now the promoters them need to have eyes in the streets more than usual and eyes back at them back. Cause if them don't know nothing, then them party nah go shot, them party nah go keep. So right about now, them need to find somebody to give them information and inform to them so them can inform and keep them party and then them have to go watch them back. Cause right after that, Stickman feel like the criminal, them nah go accept extortion money no more either. Them a go start accept informing currency. So if you know which event promoter inform pan the man who shot John Brown, then you have to go inform pan that man to the criminal, and that's how it's gonna be a informer circle. I know, money make the world go round, no more is informing make the world go round. Right about now, it said the top cop for the parish, Superintendent somebody told the Star that the police are simply exercising management and control. Oh, and this is management and control. Stickman did have something else in mind. It said, we are trying to fix the parish. We have loosened quite a number of events in some communities with strict rule. They have proven themselves that they can start party in some communities. The superintendent will decide where the party goes. You have to help me to investigate that crime before you start party, she said. Mayor, somebody, the councillor of Rocky Point in the parish told the Sunday Star that he often advocates for an informer gang. I would love to start a police informer gang, because if you have a handful of guys in the particular community trying to hold the community at ransom, saying you are an informer, so why not get a group of good guys to come rise up and say we are not going to allow you to take out our place and mash up our place, he said. Somebody, councillor of Canaanites division, told her news the initiative is something she supports and would be a part of. Yes, I am from Canaanites and it's a troubling spot. We need informers to come on board. Be an informer. Canaanites was on top with murders. Stay in your house and call the police. That cut out the crime. Somebody said, but Stickman find a reading there funny. You have to stay in your house and pray out and inform. And that a go on. So a man was shot John Brown. You might go say in front of my house he shot John Brown and come shot me too. Oh, put my life in danger. Now Stickman nah say you nothing. Talk where you know cause if you see something negative really bad go on, you can do a look one informing, yes, but Stickman nah support the informing to keep a party right now. That a blackmail. Next Stickman continue read. Meanwhile, one educator said the idea could work, but the people are fearful. Stickman rang them. A fearful man live a fearful a long time. Many are fearful to report any bad doings or incident like these because sometimes they are saying when they report something, it will get back to the community or individual. Somebody, Central High Principal told our news team. And that's true, cause right about now, if you have to go inform, then that means our next man are going inform too. And the informing circle continues. It's just going to be a informing type of life. However, somebody rubbish the idea of persons being fearful, insisting instead that the informer gang can work. It's a little scapegoat that a lot of citizens tend to use. You don't have to speak to the local police. There are several avenues for citizens to pass on information. But you see the scapegoat of not trusting, it tends to come up from, she said. Well, Stickman no wrong the people them, cause some of them police them are already informer for the criminal them. Them on the criminal payroll and them no get paid with informing, them get paid with money. Cause you can't go up a course and say, coach, sell me a bed or some furniture and me inform for some people. No, coach no work like that. Digital no work like that either. You can't link digital and say, digital, let me inform you, give me some credit. No, your woman link you say she want look money. You can't tell her, say, alright babes, may I go up the road, go inform and come back. It no work like that. Student loan call say them want back the money we borrow. You can't tell student loan say, oh, don't worry student loan, me have some stories can inform pan. No, it no work like that. So right about now, it's sticky. It very, very sticky. So Stickman want to know what the Clarendon police them a pre. Them have to go pre something different. If you want people inform, you have to go come up with some other type of creative way to make them inform. Cause holding ransom for your party, Stickman no feel like that a go turn out well. Oh, when Stickman talk, no man walk. Stickman want to comment in the comment section and comment how you feel about the informer gang. You feel like a informer gang will work? You feel like a so Jamaica for run now? Cut out the money talk and I say a informer talk, do it. Eh? Comment make Stickman know what go on. Oh, when Stickman talk, no man walk.
When Stickman talk,
no man walk.
It's epic out here.
Epic Flow Production.
Ready for epic.